Got it. All right, Bubba's first session with an AR. 1 round in it on safe. Go ahead, acquire the brick target, safe off, and kill it.
I was holding right.
Well, yeah, you need to hold left because remember it hit a little right last shot. Got it. Green tip, brick carnage. That's where the brick was. That's all of the pieces.
Holy cow.
I don't see any bullet.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
All right, well,
Set the other one.
I guess it's time for one more. All right, another brick. All right, Bubba's first session with an AR. Let's do that first, okay? Try this out. Okay, rack one in. Okay, I'm gonna take the mag. Okay, go ahead and acquire that nasty brick out there. It's a little dirty, but hopefully if Bubba hits it, you're gonna see it explode red. Just to the right of the IPSC target. Remember, hold a little left. Ah, you nicked it. All right, go for a second round on that brick. Safety is on. We're gonna put 1 round in. Okay. Load 1. Okay. I'm gonna take the mag. All right. Let's see if we can finish that brick. Put it out of its misery out there. Oh, you took the other side off. All right. Took the corners off that brick. We're gonna see if we can put it out of its misery. We got 1 shot. You can let the mag in this time. Safe on? Yep, safe's on. Okay, rack it. All right. Find that brick. Safe off and kill it. 1 last shot. Do it up. Oh, you missed. Let's go check it out. Oh, you missed. All right, we have some more brick carnage. Well, so this is what's left of the first brick. We blew the corners off of this poor brick.
I'm gonna tear this apart.
Oh, you broke it. Can you break the other piece off? Stronger than you thought, huh?
Ow!
Sharp, huh?
No.
Drop on your toesy?
No. Hit my ankle.
Dropped on your ankle? All right, so yeah, we didn't shoot these plates at 20 yards because those were steel core, so we don't really want to see them come back at us. All right.
See what come back at us.
The steel core.
What's a steel core?
That's the steel core of the bullet.
There.
All right, well.
There. Just shot.
We don't. We'll do that another time. All right. I was hoping to find some bullet parts.
Well, we did.
We did, but they're gone. Do you have the bullet part? Oh, okay. We did find this from Bubba's first shot. Or actually, that was my shot. Still hot.
That's a pistol round.
Yep, that's a 9mm. There's a lot of those in here.
Wow. Yeah, we're keeping this, buddy. Holy
And,
man.
oh,
Here's another one.
Well, there's gonna be a lot there. It's like a bullet mine. Show me.
9mm.
All right, well, we shot those a long time ago.
That was out of the
But this one we shot today, and it was still hot when I picked it up. So that was what was left of the green tip. So anyway, green tip on a brick at 20-ish yards, and the bricks don't like them very much. So see you next time.